Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. We'll be talking about commercial real estate in Central and Eastern Europe. Okay, so good Thursday morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. This week, our daily news is sponsored by PNB Paribas Real Estate Poland, and we have posted a very interesting interview with Mateusz Skubiewski, Director of Capital Markets, and you'll be seeing some advertising during our daily news shows. So anyway, jumping on to October. October is a big month for events. We've got events and magazines. We're going to be distributing our Europa Property investment guides at EXPO Real, where we're the international media partner of. That's coming up October 11th through 13th. So if you've got anything to promote, projects, company, let us know. We definitely like to, get that in for Expo Real and for our annual investment guide. Also, our CEE Investment Awards taking place October 20th, 21st. A lot of new investors already confirmed through. We've got 30 or 40 people already flying in, and it's another month. So big group of people coming, and so we've got a few sponsorships left, a few opportunities available, so please shoot us through a message or email if you'd like to get some more information on that. We've got a couple of corporate tables still available, limited seating this year for obvious reasons, and the Interconti's handling it all, but it's definitely a little bit smaller than we normally have, so book things quick. Now let's shoot right on to the corporate real estate news and commercial real estate news and covering the CE region. We'll do a quick 20-second break and we'll be back with Winston Norman. Winston, welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. And we'll be right back with all of our exciting news or the highlights of our news from EuropaProperty.com. So, welcome back, Winston. Ready for action?
Of course.
Okay, so let us know what interesting things are happening in Central Eastern Europe.
Yeah, so we'll start today in Poland, and FLE has acquired the Rockwell Automation warehouse and industrial facility in Katowice. Knight Frank advised the buyer in this deal. The property is a last mile facility, so it's got a good delivery location, apparently 3.5 kilometers from Katowice city centre. And Rockwell has been operating this property for 14 years.
All right.
And has recently signed a long-term extension on the lease. So as you could imagine, that's a very attractive product that FLE are looking at there and have acquired. And
long-term cash flow.
Good, strong tenant, yeah. And Alexander Klafsky, he's the managing partner at FLE. He says, our main focus for investment is on strong and sustainable cash flows, and the Rockwell Automation facility in Katowice is a perfect example of that.
Wow, excellent.
Staying in the industrial sector, lots of news in the industrial sector later. Really.
Yeah, sure.
And moving to the Czech Republic, and Panattoni will construct a robotic fulfillment center for Amazon on a brownfield site, which was formerly a used sugar factory. In central Bohemia. It will be the first fully fledged multi-story logistics building with state-of-the-art technological equipment in the Czech Republic. The zone was developed by the Accolade Group, which is partnering Panattoni on this industrial park.
We mentioned them yesterday, I think.
Mentioned them yesterday, yeah. So they're, again, very busy. The 52,000 square metre facility will offer 4 floors of a record-breaking nearly 190,000 square metres of lettable area. Up to 2,000 people are expected to work at this plant during peak operation, and the building will be handed over for use in 2022. And according to the CEO of Accolade, Milan Kretina, he says, we will become the first Czech investor to have Amazon in its portfolio. However, the prestige of a well-known global brand should not obscure the other benefits of this deal. The revitalization of a large brownfield site, the creation of jobs, and above all, a huge boost to the economy of the entire region.
Yeah, an old sugar factory. Great classification.
Now a fulfillment.
Now a
center.
fulfillment factory, exactly. Center.
Moving to Poland, and JLL and CPI began cooperation with their office portfolio. The two companies, JLL will comprehensively manage and fit out projects for CPI in 13 office buildings located in Warsaw. CPI is obviously an investor operating in CE in Germany real estate markets, and signed the framework agreements with JLL for this comprehensive project management service. The total GLA that the corporation encompasses is around 320,000 square meters, so a lot of work for JLL there.
Great.
Some of the properties that JLL will be covering in services include Atrium Centrum, Atrium Plaza, Central Tower, Concept Tower, Oxford Tower, Prosta 69, and the Warsaw Financial Centre. So it's a mixed bag of office developments there that will need various different professionalism,
right.
on
Just
each of
kind
them.
of refreshing them, for the next year.
And obviously with this hybrid work format that's around now, there's some of these older developments will need a little bit more professionalism, let's say.
Yeah, exactly. Well, JLL's the company to help them with that.
I think so, yeah. And finally for today, moving to Romania, and Scalia says it will officially open its next retail park in late September, which is the Rosorii di Vede, a small city in southern Romania. Will be this retail park. As we know, retail parks are the go-to retail kind of development these days.
They seem to be doing well.
They seem to be doing well, and already two retailers have started operating in this retail park.
Oh, great.
That's Jysk and Pepco, as well as Deichmann.
Oh, big ones.
Yeah. The
Big
park
players.
is fully leased, and at the beginning of September, all the retailers will open, have their grand opening, I guess.
Oh.
And in November, the company will open another one, a 5,000 square meter retail park in Focșani, which is in eastern Romania, which is almost fully leased. And next year, Scalia has a pipeline of 3 more retail parks across the country, and obviously with this market being so hot, they've got further plans and further projects in the pipeline.
Well, it sounds like a good place if you're a retailer, to open 4 or 5 locations. Yeah?
That's right. And they're specialising on small and medium-sized cities, which historically have been undersupplied by retail.
No one wanted to deal with them before. Now they're.
That's right. Yeah, now that's right. They're becoming a good alternative to the more traditional, larger formats.
Also, I'll be in Romania next Friday, so I'll try to see them as well.
Yeah, good. I mean, this is actually a Polish developer.
Oh, okay. Yeah, good.
But I'm sure they've obviously got quarters in.
You can see them here and there.
Here and there. Good.
Excellent. So is that all we have for the day?
That's for today.
Excellent. All right. Well, thank you everyone for joining us on this great Thursday morning, and thank you for watching Coffee with Craig show. PNB Paribas Real Estate in Poland. Thank you for being our partners this week, and we will see you tomorrow on Friday. Click here to subscribe to the Coffee with Craig show, and don't forget to share it with your friends.